Introducing the Gedore 38120 Capture Lite 10Nm Torque Tester, a robust and reliable tool designed to give you confidence in the accuracy of your torque tools. With its sleek design and advanced features, the Capture Lite Torque Tester is the perfect addition to any industrial, automotive, or production environment. Covering the torque range of 0.25 to 10 Nm, the Capture Lite Torque Tester is suitable for various applications, allowing you to measure torque values with precision. It offers 3 modes: peak, first peak, and track, to cater to different testing requirements. Whether you need to capture the highest torque value, the first peak torque, or track progressive applied torque, the Capture Lite has you covered. Built with a robust aluminum anodized body, the Capture Lite Torque Tester ensures long tool life and can withstand demanding industrial environments. The OLED display, protected by a sturdy Perspex screen protector, provides clear and easy-to-read information, enhancing user experience and efficiency. The Capture Lite Torque Tester comes with a USB port, allowing you to export data for further analysis or documentation. Elevate your torque measurement capabilities with the Gedore 38120 Capture Lite 10Nm Torque Tester. Its versatility, durability, and user-friendly features make it an indispensable tool for professionals seeking accurate and reliable torque measurements. Invest in the Capture Lite Torque Tester and experience the confidence and precision you need in your industrial, automotive, or production applications.